In the never-ending quest for longevity and stress relief, coffee emerges as an unexpected ally. Recent research reveals that the caffeine in coffee may activate a hidden cellular switch that helps the body combat stress and aging. Imagine sipping your favorite brew while knowing it could potentially fortify your cells against the wear and tear of time and tension. The mechanism behind this remarkable discovery lies in the way caffeine interacts with our cells. It influences a specific signaling pathway that enhances our cells' resilience, making them more adept at managing stressors. Picture this. Each cup of coffee acts like a shield, empowering your cells to battle oxidative stress and inflammation, crucial factors that contribute to aging. As many indulge in their daily ritual, they're not just enjoying the robust aroma, but also imbibing a protective potion that may help maintain youthful vigor. While the world is constantly buzzing with the pressures of daily life, this newfound understanding of coffee's role in stress management offers a glimmer of hope. Just as a green plant transforms sunlight into energy through photosynthesis, our bodies can harness the benefits of coffee to create a more vigorous defense system. Visualize your body responding to challenges with renewed strength, fueled by the caffeine that courses through your veins, awakening cellular protection mechanisms. However, moderation is key in this caffeinated journey. Too much coffee can lead to anxiety and disrupted sleep patterns, counteracting the very benefits it's touted to provide. A careful balance should be struck, one that aligns the invigorating effects of coffee with a lifestyle that promotes overall wellness. Think of coffee as a strategic ally, best enjoyed as part of a holistic approach to health alongside balanced nutrition and sufficient rest. The implications of these findings extend beyond personal health. As society looks for innovative ways to enhance resilience against stressors, coffee's role could transform how we view this everyday beverage. Envision coffee shops as not just places for social interaction but also hubs for health, a world where people gather to share a cup while simultaneously investing in their well-being. As we raise our mugs to this discovery, we celebrate not just the rich flavors of our coffee, but also the profound impact it could have on our lives.